Now let us assess the various schemes and programs which the government has started in order to remove poverty from the country. The first such big scheme is Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. It was meant to provide all kind of aid and help to the small enterprises, so that the people who have little or less money get all kind of help, financial or otherwise, from the government to see that they can sustain. Self-help groups were formed so that these people could get loan from the government, as the self-help groups need not give any kind of collateral to the bank in order to get loans. The next scheme is Sampoorn Gramin Rojgar Yojana. This was meant for generating employment for the rural youth. The next is Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana, which meant that it focused on three basic components, that is health, education and water. This scheme in fact meant that it wanted to give the minimum requirements to the people living in the rural areas to increase their standard of living in order to eradicate poverty. And of course, Narega. Narega meant that it would provide employment to the people living in the rural areas for at least 100 days in a year at the minimum wages which they can pay to them. There are other such schemes also meant for helping people in the urban and the rural areas, 20-point programs and so on, which are meant for the elevation of the poverty, that is to say for eradicating, for combating, for destroying poverty in the country. All these measures which have been adopted, some people feel that there is a significant increase that they have seen in the deployment, in the, of course, seeing to it that the poverty is eradicated. But there are others who feel that it has not been effective because the people who were employed did not know exactly how to go about, who are the poor people, how can they reach to them, and of course corruption has also played a big role in reaching the right money to the right people. But still there is a hope that we will be able to combat, we will be able to eradicate poverty in the coming days. Thank you.